Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can find downloads on Android. Now, there are two ways which you can find downloads on Android. One is to open up your Google Chrome browser like this. Make sure that you're connected to the internet to do this. Now, once you open up your Google Chrome browser, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see these three dots. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on that, this menu will appear on your screen. On this menu, there is this downloads option. Go ahead and click on it. And if you have downloaded anything from Google Chrome or any browser or using your Google account, your downloads will be shown here. Now, if you want to find the downloads on your device, open up the apps on your phone and find this My Files option like this and click on it. This application, My Files application. Once you're on the Files application, on the bottom of your screen, scroll down where you'll see this Downloads option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, all the downloads on your device which is saved to this download file will be shown on your screen. You can see the photos, videos, audio, documents and any other things that you have downloaded. I hope this video helped you to find downloads on your Android device. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.